guys, thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me. Today I am participating in an open invite collab hosted by Craft Today with Rita Renee. The requirements of participating in this open invite are that you need to go to Goodwill, yard sales, flea markets, secondhand stores, consignment shops, anywhere that you can find a secondhand item. I headed off to my local Goodwill because I always find so many unique items. When I was there, I found a couple of really cool things that I thought I could kind of change up and give to my daughter as a gift. The first two things that I came upon were these two bud vases or vases, and I normally wouldn't buy them because I have a bunch, but these were kind of unique. They're both glass, and what I really liked about them, not only are they two different sizes, but they have flat bottom. They're heavyweight, and I paid 99 cents each for them. I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I was kind of looking for something to use as two pillars. The next two items that I found were these glass plates, and they are made by Two's Company, and I paid $1.99 each. What I really liked about them is the outside edge is an open work pattern, and they are cutouts of little hearts. That will work perfect in my little Valentine gift to my daughter, so I thought these were so cute. And at $1.99 a piece, I definitely couldn't go wrong. Make sure you check out my video and see what I come up with my Goodwill finds. And also, don't forget to check out our hostess, Craft Today with Rita Renee, along with the open collab playlist. I'll list it below. And I can pretty much assure you there's going to be some wonderful things on that playlist that people are giving as a secondhand gift. If you're new to my channel and you think you'd like to hang out with me again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that little red subscribe button below. I'm starting my recycled gift by using the two glass vases that I found at the Goodwill. I need to turn them white, so all I'm going to do is add in some of this white acrylic paint and then just kind of move it all around. After moving it around for a bit, it might look like it needs more paint, so just add a little bit more to the vase. I kept rolling it around and shaking it until the whole vase had turned white. To finish off the very top edges, I just folded a paper towel in half, placed it over the top, and continued to shake. I then removed the paper towel and the edges were complete, and then all I did was follow the exact same instructions for the larger vase. If you don't have acrylic paint on hand, you can always use spray paint. Once I was done, I placed them to the side and let them dry. I'm using these two Dollar Tree LED candles with some sparkly heart scatters and some wooden heart stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree. I also used these in a similar candle project. I'll link that video below in case you want to check it out. I'm adding 4 different patterns of ribbon to the candle. They all come from Michael's with the exception of the heart ribbon. I picked that up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some red and white acrylic paint, along with some red glitter, but that's definitely optional. I'm starting with this 1.5 inch red and white polka dot ribbon. I added a tiny dot of glue on the actual candle because it's wax and it doesn't hold very well. And then all I did was wrap it around the candle and then just add another line of hot glue and overlap the two pieces. I then followed the same instructions and added the 5/8 inch heart ribbon to the top of the candle. Once that was complete, I followed up with the 7/8 inch black plaid ribbon, making sure that I glued it in the center of the polka dot ribbon. And to finish the project, the last ribbon that I added was a 1/2 inch white lace trim. Once all the ribbons are attached, it's now time to add the heart accent. I'm painting the 2 large wooden hearts with my red acrylic paint. Once the 2 red hearts are painted, I'm then painting the 2 smaller hearts with my white paint. This step is completely optional. My daughter does like sparkles, so all I did was take my Mod Podge and I put a coat on both of the hearts. I'm making 2 candles for this gift, so I'm making 2 sets of hearts. The final step is to sprinkle your glitter all over the hearts. After they dried for a few minutes, I just tapped off the excess glitter. I removed the little stickers from the back and then hot glued all my hearts in a stack. Once that was done, I just hot glued each of them to the front side of the candle. Both of these vases are heavy weight and I don't think that they'll tip over, but to give them a little extra stability, I'm going to add in some of these rocks from the Dollar Tree. I'm almost ready to finish the gift, but before I do, I want to add a little heart ribbon accent onto each vase. I measured the ribbon around each neck and then cut it to size. And then I just wrapped it around and hot glued it into place. This is the easiest step to this project, and all we need to do is glue the plates to the base. Using my E6000, I'm just going to run a generous amount on the top of the vase, which has now become the pedestal. And once that's complete, all I do is place the plate on the top and be sure that it is centered. I let them set overnight so they would be firmly attached. And then I placed our embellished LED candles on top of each. I found this bag of red acrylic gems at the Dollar Tree, and it'll be the perfect accent to finish the project. I randomly added some around the base of each candle. And when I was done, my daughter's gift is ready to give. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that little red subscribe button below. I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody!